So hi guys, as you probably know, we had to do some adjustments to the Nissan Serena to get it through its IVA test. We did have it pre-booked for this week, but we changed it to the 21st of November so we could get it absolutely perfect. One of the issues was the rear fog light. As you can see now, it's got the fog light that's smaller, neater. It's over 25 centimetres above the ground, and it shows it's not dangerous, so it can't be hit off the car. The tyres are now weight rated for 8 people, so they're brand new tyres all round, all 4 of them. And we fitted a brand new stereo system in there, which is a CarPlay UK specified regional stereo system. And that is basically, we switched it off, we left it off just in case. We don't want to make any mistakes. We just want it to be able to pass. So that's all done now and it's ready for its IVA. So hopefully it'll be the first pass on the IVA on the 21st, and I'll keep you guys updated. Thank you.